you guys doing today? I hope everybody is doing well. Today I am bringing you a video which it is a collaboration. A company was kind enough to reach out to me and wanted me to review their products and show you guys. To me they're like really pretty. They are called Gnoce. This is the brand right there. And I was like, sure, I'll take a look and see. I also have a discount code that you'll have an additional 5% off. I'll have it around here in the screen, and I also have all the links, and I also have the discount code down below. I do gain a little bit of percentage if you click on it and you buy it through my link, but do not forget to also include the code to get more off. That being said, let's get into this beautifulness. When the box came, I was like, I cannot wait to open it and see the goodies. This card came in there, and this as well. The box is like this. The box is really sleek and really pretty, and everything came like compacted right here, very well packed. This is the little bag it comes in, very pretty. I'm gonna be trying everything on. This is the bracelet right here, very pretty. And they have little charms, which they are so adorable, guys, and it looks very high quality. They do come individually packed. Oh my god, look how pretty is this. This is one of the charms, XOXO, because that's one of my main signatures. I don't know if you guys have noticed that I always sign XOXO. So I got this to have you guys close to me. Look at these beautiful earrings. Very pretty. Look how they look. So beautiful. They are gold and they have detailing in silver. Then I got this beautiful necklace. See how pretty? So beautiful. And it has a closure right there. Let me show you the closure so you guys can know which closure it is. This little clamp right there. Next charm is this one. Of course, you guys know I had to get it because it's a little cat, and you guys know I really love cats. And this is so beautiful. It has every single detail. I also got this one, this little charm. It is an avocado, because if you guys know, I really love avocados. Last but not least is this beautiful ring. Look how pretty, guys. And I got this in a size 6 right there. And this ring is absolutely beautiful. Look how beautiful, guys. So guys, like I said, try them out, get your discounts, get your percentage off. Everything will be down below in my description box. I hope you guys like everything you see in the website, and yeah, let me know if you purchased anything. Thank you so much to Gnoce for collabing with me in this video, and I am very appreciative. Thank you so much. Hope to work with you in the future. And yeah, guys, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, and until my next video, I love you guys.